Hello everyone, welcome to another series of today's GK. Let's begin with previous day practice question first. Question was, Parliament of India includes Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha only, President and Lok Sabha, or President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The correct answer is option D, President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The functioning of Parliament is being affected due to continuous uproar in the monsoon session. The Parliament of India is the supreme legislative body of India. Parliament of India includes the President, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Hence, option D is correct. The President has the power to summon, prorogue or dissolve either house of the Parliament. The first general election under the new constitution was held during 1951-52 and the first elected Parliament came into existence in April 1952. Now let's begin today's session. First question is, arrange the following seas in order from west to east. 1. Arafura Sea. 2. Timor Sea. 3. Coral Sea. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. 123, 312, 213 or 321. The correct answer is option C, 213. The Indian Air Force, that is IAF, will participate in the biennial exercise Pitch Black organized by the Australian Air Force later this month. It will also include 16 other countries including Quad countries. Australia is the smallest continent and the 6th largest country in the world. It is located in the southern hemisphere between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. It is surrounded by a series of gulfs, oceans and straits. The order of the seas located to its north from west to east is the Timor Sea, the Arafura Sea and the Coral Sea. Hence, option C is correct. Next question is, who was the designer of tricolor, the national flag of India? Pingali Venkaiah, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru or Madam Bhikhaji Kama? The correct answer is option A, Pingali Venkaiah. The Union government has decided to issue a special commemorative postage stamp to commemorate the birth anniversary of Pingali Venkaiah on 2nd August. Pingali Venkaiah was the designer of the Indian national flag tricolor. Hence, option A is correct. Venkaiah was born on 2nd August 1876 at Bhatla Penumuru near the present-day Machilipatnam town of Andhra Pradesh. He was a farmer, geologist and lecturer at Andhra National College. Next question is, who will be the chairman of the Antarctica Authority of India? Ministry of Earth Sciences, Prime Minister, Secretary Ministry of Earth Sciences or Vice Chairman of Niti Aayog? The correct answer is option C, Secretary Ministry of Earth Sciences. Recently, the Indian Antarctica Bill 2022 has been passed by the Parliament. It aims to prevent the Antarctica region from mining or illegal activities and to ensure its demilitarization. The bill also proposes to establish the Antarctica Authority of India under the Ministry of Earth Sciences. It will be the highest decision-making authority related to Antarctica. Secretary Ministry of Earth Sciences will be the chairman of Antarctica Authority of India, that is IAA. Hence, option C is correct. India has 2 research centers, Maitri and Bharti, in Antarctica. Next question is, Narcotics Control Bureau, that is NCB, is the apex coordinating agency under which of the following ministry? Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Home Affairs, Prime Minister's Office or Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers? The correct answer is option B, Ministry of Home Affairs. Recently, Narcotics Control Bureau, that is NCB, destroyed 30,000 kg of drugs seized from various places. Section 52A of the Narcotics, Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985 allows investigative agencies to destroy confiscated drugs. NCB was established in 1986 by the Government of India under the provisions of this Act. It is the apex coordinating agency under the Ministry of Home Affairs. Hence, option B is correct. Article 47 of the Constitution of India directs the state to make efforts to prohibit the consumption of intoxicating substances injurious to health except for medicinal purposes. Next question is, who decides to create or abolish districts or change their boundaries? President, central government, governor, or state government? The correct answer is option D, state government. West Bengal cabinet has approved the creation of 7 new districts in the state. Now the number of districts in West Bengal will increase from the existing 23 to 30. The power to create or abolish districts or to change their boundaries rests with the state governments, which may notify it in the official gazette by passing a law in the legislative assembly or by an issuing order only. Hence, option D is correct. However, the central government gets involved in the decisions taken for renaming a district or railway station. In this regard, the state government's request is sent to various departments of the central government before issuing the no objection certificate. Next question is, Unified Payment Interface, that is UPI, has been developed by Reserve Bank of India, National Payments Corporation of India, State Bank of India, or Ministry of Finance. The correct answer is option B, National Payments Corporation of India, that is NPCI. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has appreciated the outstanding achievement of 6 billion UPI transactions in July 2022. This is the highest transaction ever since the launch of UPI in 2016. UPI or Unified Payment Interface is a payment system platform developed by the National Payments Corporation of India or NPCI. Hence, option B is correct. NPCI is an umbrella organization for all retail payments in India. Next question is, Lakshadweep Islands are separated from the Maldives by which channel? 8-degree channel, 9-degree channel, 10-degree channel, or none of these? The correct answer is option A, 8-degree channel. Maldives President Ibrahim Mohammed Solihi is on a 4-day visit to India. The Maldives is India's major neighbor in the Indian Ocean region and it occupies a special place in India's Neighborhood First policy. It is separated from the Lakshadweep Islands by an 8-degree channel. Hence, option A is correct. Next question is, where was the 4th ONGC Para Games 2022 inaugurated recently? Hyderabad, New Delhi, Lucknow, or Chennai? The correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Recently, Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas Shri Hardeep Singh Puri inaugurated the 4th ONGC Para Games 2022 in New Delhi. Hence, option B is correct. ONGC Para Games is a special HR initiative to provide equal opportunities to differently abled persons in all walks of corporate life. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited or ONGC started Para Games in 2017 especially to bring differently abled persons into the mainstream. Next question is, which of the following group represents Kharif crops? Rice, maize, jowar, soybean, maize, arhar, barley, wheat, arhar, rice, jowar, or jowar, gram, soybean, rice? The correct answer is option A, rice, maize, jowar, soybean. This year, sowing of paddy has decreased by about 13% as compared to last year. The types of crops include Kharif, Rabi, and Zaid. Kharif crops are harvested around October after sowing in June-July. Rabi crops are sown in October-November. Rice, maize, bajra, jowar, groundnut, soybean, sesame, castor, arhar, moong, urad, etc. are Kharif crops. Hence, option A is correct. While Rabi crops include wheat, barley, oats, gram, linseed, mustard, etc. Last question is, in which of the following country was the first case of African swine fever reported? South Africa, Algeria, Kenya, or Somalia? The correct answer is option C, Kenya. Recently, various cases of African swine fever have been reported in Kannur and Wayanad districts of Kerala. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization or FAO, it is a highly contagious and fatal viral disease which affects domestic pigs. Its first case was reported in Kenya in 1921. Hence, option C is correct. It poses no threat to human health, but it has devastating effects on the pig population and the agricultural economy. At present, there is no effective vaccine available against this disease. Now it's time for the practice question. Recently, who has taken over as the Principal Director General of the PIB, that is Press Information Bureau? Satya Narayan Pradhan, Satyendra Prakash, R. Subramaniam, or Banwari Lal Purohit? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.